Well, this one, another building over here. How to do the same thing to this unit over here. Take it all apart, vacuum. That was already done. I just gotta clean it up. But I did the same thing. That one. This one over here, I did the same thing over there too. I had to put a blanket because it was so bad. Oh God. All plugged, the chambers all plugged up, so it's just like they never take this thing off, man. It's a shame, you know. But it's got it done right today. Nice and clean. Small body. Suspension tank. Look at that suspension tank. That thing's about to blow out. Probably never drain it. That's done too. So, spend some quality time over here. So, you know, what can I say? Quality time. That's Wink HVAC. What you gonna do? You know? So, let me keep going over here. Still got a little work, gotta put it together, test it, and see how it goes. I'm ready to take lunch. Later, guy.